Hey guys, it's Troy. So you might notice the totally different background behind me, which is because I am at the beach for the first time in the summer of 2017. So today I'm going to be sharing my fun beach adventure. And before we get started, let's subscribe and take a minute to hit that like button. Also comment down below what you want my next video to be. Let's get on with the video. To do at the beach is, of course, go in the water, my favorite part. So let's go. Guys, the beach is so pretty. I mean, like, look at the water. Look at the sunset. So pretty. Oh my gosh. The beach is so good for taking pictures, if you didn't know. Here are some of my favorites. To the end of the video. I had such a great time at the beach today. I can't wait for another beach day to come up. Make sure to subscribe and like and follow me on Instagram and leave a comment saying I subscribed. And well, Troy Boy out.